it out. They got it out of the sea. Probably wash it off and then slash middle side of the adult octopus. So there he is. There's his head. You already cleaned out the brain and everything.
Give me the sucky.
Oh, bigger one. This is the bigger one. So if he suck onto your face, he'll suck onto you. Tommy too. So what's good? I know it's tasty. I don't know if I'm gonna put anything on him yet. Yeah, probably take a little bit longer.
That's disgusting. But that's the inside of his head. Show me the outside of his head.
Right here. You've been seeing it.
No, that's the other camera. This is mine.
That's the outside.
Thank you.
He will get. He moving. He moving. And this close.
How much was the author?
$90 for that octopus there. Real octopus, not the kind of hair here. The real thing.
Look at how pretty it is. Tomato, we can get some. Cause you can't eat all that.
That was what